Welcome to Buyer's Guide episode 1. Today in this video we're gonna have a look into 5 things you should consider before buying any power bank. In between, if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. Okay, now let's get into the 5 things you should consider before buying any power bank. Number 1 on the list is the capacity of the power bank itself. You might have heard of this measure mAh, milliampere hour. This is a unit used for measuring the capacity of battery. Make sure you have the enough capacity required for your need. For example, if you're going to have only your smartphone get charged with the power bank you're going to buy, first of all, know the capacity of your phone. If you don't know what's the capacity of your phone, I will mention the link down below of the site and you can type your phone over there and you can get the capacity to know. The second thing you need to know is how many times you would require to recharge. By this I mean how many times you want to get your phone charged from 0 to 100%. Say for example, if your phone is having 4000 mAh battery, so you need to charge them twice. So the best option will be to just multiply the 4000 with 2, which would result in 8000. So you can go for a power bank with 8000 mAh capacity or just a figure near to it. The second thing you should consider before buying is the build and design. Just go for the additional features it offers and the color, the weight, the design, the overall look of the power bank. If you liked it, just go for it. The third thing you should consider before buying is make sure you have the right input and output ports according to your requirements. If you're using a device with micro USB, make sure your power bank has the micro USB port input so that you can use the same charger for charging the power bank as well. And also make sure you have the right number of USB A outputs so you can charge your device simultaneously, if just in case if you wanted more than 2 outputs. Fourth thing you should consider before buying any power bank, make sure it has the fast charging technology. The prices of the power bank has gone way down, and one of the factors which makes the power bank a little bit expensive is the charging speed. So make sure you have the required charging speed. I would recommend something above 15 watts and above. Watt means is a measure of unit of power, a little bit of physics. Watt is the product of output current and output voltage. So make sure you get a power bank with a good power supply. The last thing you should consider before buying the power bank is the price. If the last 4 factors are checked, make sure the power bank comes under your budget so you can easily get them. So that's it now for guys, the ultimate power bank buying guide. I will also mention a few power banks which are best bang for your buck in the description box below. Make sure you check out them. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys will be watching in just patience, and this is me.suraif and I will catch you in the next one.